After drawing your roof section, I want to call out the roof to show the details. Do this, go to architecture, click on view. From view, under view you see callouts. Click on the drop down arrow. You can either sketch where you want to call out or use a rectangle. Let's use rectangle now. Then you place it where you want to call out. Do the same thing we did while drawing the section. Right click on it, go to view to show you what you are called out. You can also adjust it from here. Let's go with this. So we're still going to be drawing the struts and the brace using detail line. Let's go to annotate. I'll be offsetting by 1000 by 1 meter. We can just adjust this so to be clearer. Everything is okay like this. Adjust. think this is nice. Okay, draw the tie beam. Okay, at this point I don't want this line to be showing, so we are going to use the masking region now. So you click in the drop down arrow, field region, masking region. Click on masking region. Then we draw where we want to cover. Then you finish it. As you can see, the line is no longer there. So we draw the pollen too. At this point, I think this is nice already. Okay, this is a concrete facial, so let's put a concrete cut on it. Right grass fits in view, then by element, click on projection lines. We go to cut pattern. Select the pattern as concrete. Color, let's change the color to black. Then finish. See, this is nice.